extra spicy, right off the bone or stuffed in a sandwich. There's a style of fried chicken just right for anyone and everyone out there. And the National Fried Chicken Festival is the place to go to find the one for you. We have a lot of festivals celebrating a lot of things out here, but since 2016, the Fried Chicken Fest has been one of the hottest tickets on the fall calendar. Let's hop in and see what it's all about.
People already associate New Orleans with an iconic culinary destination, so when folks across the country heard Fried Chicken Festival in New Orleans, they knew they could come down here and get some amazing food.
Dozens of restaurants show up every year to offer their own take on this southern staple. Mostly their hometown spots, but a handful of cooks from the rest of the country are in the mix too. Besides simply eating your fill, multiple stages of New Orleans music should help you dance some of your meal off. Let's dive in a little deeper and check out some of my favorite chicken spots.
Everybody loves fried chicken. It's a universal thing.
Everybody in the world loves fried chicken. Even vegans love fried chicken, man. It's crazy.
Even before I had the restaurant, even before I was on the food truck, fried chicken was my go-to of what I would eat when I wanted that pick-me-up. The Fried Chicken Festival, it's an opportunity for me to be out here and feed the city like what I love to do.
Everybody's doing fried chicken, but everyone has their own take on it. Some people are doing sandwiches, some people are doing classic fried chicken. We do what we do best, hot wings and barbecue wings, all our homemade sauces and homemade ranch.
Festivals is part of the culture here in New Orleans. We know what we're doing down here. We know how to make sure folks have a good time. And what better place than New Orleans for the National Fried Chicken Festival?
The best restaurants here, the best food in the best food city.
You know you're not gonna find a more delicious experience than sampling all these different fried chicken delicacies. So I expect to see y'all here next year. For Gonola TV, I'm Fresh Johnson. See you next time.